dt, where c and d are constant. So, measurements obtained from videotape indicate that the second model plane requires 1.42 seconds at a distance of 4.3 meters to take off and is moving at 6.1 meter per second when it lifts off. So, anong gagawin dito? So, acceleration, kailangan natin given dito si position, si time, tsaka si... So, acceleration is dv over dt, tama? And then c plus dt. Okay? Variable, separable. So, we have db is equal to c plus ct dt. Integrate. So, ano integral ng db? V. Ang integral ng c dt? Whole. Then, derivative ng dt? So, dt squared over 2. Plus c. So, initially, ano initial velocity nila? So, wala pa naman. So, 0. And then, ang final velocity, ang time non 0. When time is 0, velocity is 0. Ibig sabihin, c is 0. Okay? And then, differentiate ulit natin. So, dv is ds over dt. Tama? Ito yung velocity. Pinalitan natin ng ds over dt para magkaroon tayo ulit ng equation. Then, integrate. So, ano integral ng ds? S equals to ct squared over 2 plus dt cube over 6 plus constant of integration. So, ang position natin 0, ang time natin 0. And then, ibig sabihin, C2 ay 0. Ay, lumipad. Okay. Ngayon, gagamitin na natin yung time niya. If time is equal to 1.42, ano yung velocity niya? Sa second model, that is 6.1. So, we have C multiplied by 1.42 plus D 1.42 squared divided by 2 equals to velocity 6.1. This is the equation 1. And then next naman, if S is equal to 4.3 meters, ano yung time niya? Ito din, no? 1.42 seconds. So, substitute lang natin. So, C 1.42 squared divided by 2 plus D 1.42 cube over 6 equals to 4.3. So, we have second equation. So, masasolve nyo si C and D. O, paano to? 2 equations, 2 unknowns. At yung mga coefficient ni C. Ay, oo nga. Bumawi. Oo nga pala. Oo nga, no? Siya pinahiya ni Nawat. Magkano? O, kahit 4 decimal places. 5 point. Ay, joke lang. Hindi ko alam. Alam, nahirapan pa mag-calculate. Ay, hindi yung ginagamit yung cube. May cube naman na exponent dyan, di ba?
Oo. Ano ba sagot, sir? Oo.
Parang mali yan. Parang positive ba na makukuha?
Ano ba sagot, sir?
Ayan, tama yan. 4.2035 4.2035 and 0.12. So, ibig sabihin yan na si C and D, and then kinukuha yung acceleration. So, the acceleration is C, 4.2035 plus 0.1299 T. So, ito na yung acceleration ng model plane. Yan. Yung mga magandang problem, yung mga letter.
Waiting na ako na dynamics.
Naku, kumusta ka muna sa statics? Hindi yung ano. Ayan na, tapos naman na, next problem. O, next meeting na lang. Ay! Nagliligpit na pala sila. Sige, next meeting na lang yung derivation ng formula.